What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today I'm going to be giving you a demo, and also we're going to be looking at my new how to draw Mandala book. Also going to be looking at a few of my products that I've uploaded onto Redbubble lately as well. So what were you waiting for? Let's roll intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone? Hope everyone had a good week and you all had a good day at work yesterday as well. It was kicking off. It all kicked off again yesterday. All the shops all opened back up again. I'm back into work tomorrow, doing all my hairdressing stuff again. But not to worry, I'm still going to be here doing all the other stuff next week with all my art stuff. That's still going to be carrying on. Still going to be all uploading all that. Still going to be doing all my books. So not to worry about any of that. If you're new here, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday and how-to videos on a Monday on this show. Lately, I've been uploading a few of my designs onto my Redbubble store. If you haven't checked it out, there is a link in the description below. I upload all various types of designs, ranging from slogans, t-shirt slogans, to stickers, like sticker packs, and patterns, and a lot more designs as well. The patterns are really good for any of your pillows, cushions, any of that sort of thing. They also cover the duvets and a lot of the other larger products that we have on the store. A lot of the other slogans, they do fit onto like nice stickers and some of the cushions as well, but they're mainly all for the t-shirts and the phone covers and all the other stuff that we sell on that store. Like I said as well, I have created a how to draw mandala book. This book here is absolutely brilliant. If you like to draw all those mandalas that I draw on a Wednesday, the good thing about this is that a lot of the times when I'm drawing these mandalas, you have to draw the circle and then you have to draw all the little lines inside and things, which is absolutely brilliant. But in purchasing this book, it's going to make life that little bit more easier for you, because what I've created is these pages here. What I've created here are these pages. They are blank mandala circles. All you have to do is just fill in the little circle, all the little gaps inside there. It comes in a nice little frame, so you can cut it out after, take a picture of it, frame it, stick it up on your social media. If you do cut it out though, you can always put a nice bit of material underneath it as well. I explain a lot more in the video because I'm going to do a demonstration of me drawing in my book as well, drawing a mandala, coming up later on in the video. It's going to be a preview video. The rest of the video, the full length version of the video is going to be coming out in tomorrow's art therapy video. Not only that, but I've also uploaded a sketchbook as well. The sketchbook is a plain sketchbook, and you can do all your drawings in there, all your doodles, all that sort of stuff. You can do all your practice stuff, all your sketching, follow along to any of my sketches using that book. You can also find that book on the Amazon store as well. All the links for everything are in the description below. So yes, getting back to the new book, as I showed you earlier. So getting back to the new book, I completely created this especially for you guys, so that you've got a nice, easier way of drawing mandalas. I was showing you before, you can even write your name inside it, who the book belongs to. You have your bit where you draw your mandala on. Also, you have these blank pages as well. This is so that you can practice any of the patterns before you apply it to your mandala. You can do all your patterns on this side. In the corners, I've put in little helpful tips and hints as well for you to try out as well. Each mandala picture is on a separate page as well. You're not going to get them on both pages as well. So you don't have to worry about if you are going to colour your mandala in. It's not going to seep through to the opposite page there as well on the opposite side. If you do think that it's going to be going through or anything like that, you can always just get like a piece of A4 card and just slot it inside in between each page before you do your drawing on your page. At the back of the book, I've also put in a reference sheet. So if you want to copy along to any of my mandala pictures here, you can copy any of those, or you can take any of the patterns that you see inside of any of the patterns that you see inside of there, and you can create. You can take a pattern out of this one, take a pattern out of that, and create your own type of mandala dial as well. Or follow along to any of my video tutorials that I put up on a Wednesday. There's going to be a link for the playlist, so if you do purchase this book, you can follow along to any of those, or create your own as well. That's the best thing as well. Create your own mandala drawings. There are plenty of resources on Pinterest, on Google. Check them all out. Drawing mandalas is a great way of an art therapy, great way of relaxing, calming yourself down, and it's very, very, very therapeutic to do as well. So what are we all waiting for, folks? Let's get down to the drawing. how's that for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit the like button if you did enjoy it. The full version of that video is going to be coming out in tomorrow's art video. I just wanted to show you a quick little preview of drawing inside the book, how it comes out. I also wanted to test out the pages as well. The pages are absolutely brilliant as well from when I was doing my drawings in. Now the nice thick pages as well, so it's nice to draw your sketching, and nice to get your example down onto your mandala before you apply your pen to it as well. And the pen doesn't seep through as much as what I thought it would. I mean, I did use pencils in that particular video, but I also used the fine nib pens as well, and they didn't seep through the paper as much. So the paper is quite thick too. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Have an amazing week, everybody. I'm back to work tomorrow. I'll see you all next Tuesday. Peace out.